Visvesvaraya Industrial and Technological Museum is the landmark which is located in the heart of Bangalore and is well connected with the public transport. If you have children with you, this museum is the just right to nurture their curious mind. It might be appear small and compact on the outside. A day spent here will surely boost your knowledge of mechanical gadgets, gears, space, and other exciting areas of science. What's more, there are plenty of attractions nearby to make your experience a holistic one. The museum has 4 floors with 7 permanent exhibition halls and 3 special ones. Each hall has an astounding collection of interesting and informative touch and feel exhibits. Here is a look at the different exhibition halls that attracts swarm of visitors every day. The permanent exhibition halls. First one is engine hall. How things work. If you are interested in automobiles and machinery, the engine hall is a must visit. It exhibits different machinery parts of automobiles and explains how they operate. How things work is a part of engine hall gallery and a favorite among aspiring physicists. You can learn about different types of pulleys, inclined planes, levers and more. Second is the Electrotechnic Gallery. If you enjoy watching exhibits based on different electrical technology topics, the gallery is sure to draw your attention. You can also see interesting demo experiments based on various principles and many other experiments. Space emerging technology in service mankind. Keen to know about space, flights, mechanics, satellites, rockets, space astronomy, space materials and other related things. This gallery will satiate your curiosity. You will also learn about many human achievements in space and beyond. It is the first space technology gallery in India and is backed by research done by ISRO. The fourth one is Biotechnological Revolution. In this gallery, you can learn about several features. There is a special exhibit that is Dinosaur Alive. This is probably a best part of the museum. You can admire the moments and shiver at the sounds made by the giant animated dinosaurs and also click picture with that. Children have several sections with interesting games and puzzles based on the principles of mathematics, sound, fluid mechanics, atmosphere science, and other scientific phenomena. The very next attraction is Venkatappa Art Gallery, which is located on Kasturba Road near MG Road, Cubbon Park area and adjacent to Visvesvaraya Industrial and Technological Museum. Government Museum has some nice collections of ancient artifacts, ideals, weapons, etc. Red color building itself is very beautiful and also it is curved stairs to reach the first floor. Just beside art gallery is available and the ground floor is having paintings by Mr. Venkatappa. The first floor is having the space for exhibition and could enjoy the paintings. And also some of the open spaces available to see different types of creative paintings and also sculptures made by their stones. It has a rare collection of archaeological and geological artifacts. It includes all jewelry, sculptures, coins and inscriptions which are on display on the ground and first floor. There are 3 galleries in the museum: antiquity, painting and sculptures. The museum is also home to the Halmidi inscriptions, the earliest Kannada inscription. The museum and the Venkatappa Art Gallery are located in the same complex and have a common entry ticket of ₹20. It is well connected with the public transport and has washrooms and worth a visit. The ancient artifacts range go 2000 years old and are very highly precious because of their antique value and is considered national treasure. The museum has interesting artifacts, pottery, shards, music instruments, sculptures, etc. There is a little information on this. The upstairs there are number of paintings you can see. The old building presents a view into the world of sculptures as it houses stone sculptures which dates back 12th century AD as well as those from the widely known Khajuraho. A section is also dedicated for showcasing various kinds of excavations. There is also an armory gallery displaying various kinds of swords, daggers, spears, gun power holders, bullets which belongs to the medieval period. You can also see different types of potteries and vessels in mud which are used years back, and also the sculptures and also the write-ups which is written in the stones. So there are various ancient figures which are shown in these particular things. You can also see different types of weapons which are used in the ancient period. Most of these weapons are used by irons, and you can see different shapes of weapons which is available in the gallery. And apart from that, you can see the sculptures made of stones. You can also see the models of entire museum, and which will be give an idea about the museum. The sculptures which is carved in the stones are very attractive, and this is very precious. This iconic red colored building is the center of art for the tourists coming to the city.